G's on break. You ain't say the head game.
All right, Rob is back in the U.S.
Hey, back guys.
Tell them what we're gonna be doing.
Oh, we're just loading up the drift car, getting it tuned. So,
Tune tomorrow.
Yeah.
The next day.
All right, Rob, tell the people where we are.
Oh, we're at the diner today.
Hopefully everything goes all right.
Yeah. Should work.
You know, we got Martin who's gonna tune this. Just getting set up. It's all strapped down. Making sure timing is good. All right, Rob, tell the people, before you tell the people, we just got done with the dyno. We got planes taking off in the background, if you can see that. And we didn't fail on the dyno. We did pretty well, right?
Yeah, I mean, we got like 300 to the wheels, so that's okay for the first dyno run.
On 9 pounds of boost.
Yep, yeah, true.
So we got to take it back because the way the clutch is adjusted right now is too close to the face of the pressure plate, and we got to take a shim out to make sure we have enough adjustment. So trans has to come out again, so that means what we and Nikki did. Nikki!
What's up?
Mostly Nikki. It worked.
Yeah, absolutely. Just the air gap is a little bit too tight.
Too tight. Never heard that in my life. And you know, we'll put a clip in here doing a donut. It's driving. It feels good. I gotta get a electronic boost controller.
Yep. We need to get a mag valve.
Yep.
Then we wire it in.
Into the ECU. Oh. There goes Southwest. All right. It is after the dyno. Hold on, Rob. Tell the people
3 hours later.
what we're doing.
We're pulling the transmission because the throwout bearing is already touching the pressure plate, so the air gap is way too tight.
So now we're gonna go pull it. We got it jacked up. He's gonna look at the air gap right now. And yeah, update in a few when it's out. All right, so we got the trans out. I thought Rob was gonna lose it because these two bolts.
Yep. Fucked us for like an hour.
Yeah, these two. Well, not this. Not one. One bolt fucked us for an hour. So I'm gonna go to Ace tomorrow and get some Allen heads. Yep. And
we pull out those two shims to create like a bigger air gap. Should be like right about 5 millimeters.
Yep. So I'm too tired right now to deal with this. All right, it is the next morning. Where's that nut? Or sorry, bolt. That bolt. Yeah. So we don't have this problem again. We are gonna do a little cutting of a new bolt, and it is called a socket head. I just learned that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I'm a little pissed off because this kit is supposed to be a bolting kit that reuses the factory throwout bearing fork. But unfortunately, Autosports Engineering kit sucks. And we gotta re-engineer this part. Nikki did a good job, but we gotta shorten it another 5 to 6 mil to make it work with a proper air gap. All right, now it is Professor Rob at work because he said my tool was shit and he needed a better tool.
Yep. Now we got some good measuring calipers, so hopefully that works out.
Professor Rob is measuring. And we'll check back in here in a minute. Because we put the trans in and it's still touching the pressure plate. Yeah. And we need about 3 mil air gap.
Yep.
So let's do it right. All right, Professor Rob. We have remade these sleeves. And I think we believe these are a little bit too long for what we want, so we just shorten these. We already got our bolts, and if we went too short, we can add in some shims. So, Precision Rob, tell the people what we've done.
Yeah, we put everything back together. And now Yoshi just test drove it a little bit, and the pedal just fell down to the floor.
And then when we came back, we saw a bunch of fluid, and we have none in the master. Yeah. So there's a couple of things we think, I think we extended it.
Yeah, probably. We overextended it.
So we'll bleed it again and we'll see if it's leaking, and if it's leaking, pull it apart, push it back together.
Yep.
And do that tomorrow.
Yep, that's the plan for now.
All right. All right, so this is now day what? 3?
Yeah.
Day 3. We're pulling the trans out again. I think I explained it in last night's video. Got the trans back in, bled it and everything like that. We overextended. Alright, so we found our problem. Alright, Rob. Let's finish off this video. Let's tell the people, you know.
I mean, did we already show them that we ripped apart that seal?
I mean, if they follow us on Instagram, yeah. So basically the seal tore.
Yep. Yeah, when we overextended the throat bearing.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna buy all new seals for it, put it back together, shove it in.
Yeah. And then we should be good to go.
Yep. The car is definitely making power now, so we're only on 9 pounds.
Yep.
So we gotta go back to the dyno. All right, now that we're recording the right way, tell the people what stage we're at with this, and include how many times we've pulled the trans out, all because of this fucking kit that I'm just about to write off, and I'm over it.
Yeah.
Here, step outside. We got some better light. There you go.
Right now, the clutch started slipping on us.
Again,
Yep.
after we took more.
Yeah, off the spacers, and now we're going to pull it like the 5th time, I think.
Because what's happening at low RPM, it holds the power, but as you get higher, it just, the clutch is engaging. So, and it can't put down the power, so. I don't know. We're gonna pull it one more time. So yeah, so we're gonna go pull this trans out, do a donut, and see if it holds the power, cause yeah.
Yeah, shit sucks.
And my foot is heavy, so Supervisor Ollie, anything to add?
Not really.
So let's get it.
Yep, let's get it done.
All right, Rob. Transmission's out. Rob, tell the people where we're at right now. And we're gonna modify this a little bit more.
Yeah, we're grinding down the spacers.
A little hot.
Yeah.
So
Ein bisschen. A little bit more.
So we're grinding down the spacers.
Yeah, by 1 millimeter.
Thanks, Autosports Engineering.
Looks sketchy, I don't know.
It's definitely sketchy.
Yep.
But we got the trans out in what? About 30 minutes or less?
Yeah.
Somewhere in there. This is our last hurrah. This is the last time. I'm gonna keep repeating it in this video. The last time I'm doing all this shit. Because Autosports Engineering, well, your kit is trash for the ZF. I mean, I know you don't sell it anymore. But anyways, enough of that. All right, we are all done. I have fucked with this for too long, and I'm over it. So we're gonna do a little test rip, and hopefully it works. What do you think?
I cross my fingers that it works. I guess nobody wants to rip the transmission off another time.
I'm done. I'm done. That's it for now. All right, we're here on a dyno. Tell the people.
What should I tell the people? I mean, we're at the dyno and waiting for the tuner, so.
And we hope all the modifications that Nikki started finish.
Hopefully that works out.
It feels good. The clutch feels a lot more like,
More like a clutch.
yeah, more like a clutch, yeah. So, let's see.
Yeah, hopefully it works.
Fingers crossed. If not, that whole kit from Autosports Engineering that is trash. I did go ahead and order a new kit. I got the PMC kit, adapter, everything. I'm not gonna open everything right now. So
Crash that shit.
I'm about to. We're just waiting.
Switched up, but now I got leverage. Watch now it's real thought heavy. I hop in that all black truck like a president. Go kick rocks if you hate for attention. I talk with a smile, you would think that I'm trolling. I'm badass, want me down with some lotion. I can't lock in, I know everybody going. Trying to pay me to be so bad, but I'm so rare, I got a tat on my hand. I'm so real, I read off a glance, but I pop shit cause I never really had it. Green pink pills and bills on a script, I think got a fetish. I'll turn you up if you let me. Told his little hoe stop calling my phone, now he blocked. Yeah, you get the message. I'll turn you